Hello guys, welcome back again to another easy to follow tutorial. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for always stopping by. In this very tutorial, you will learn how to make beautiful woolen flower that you can add to any project. For this stunning project, we'll be using two colors of wool. As you have seen, wrap around your pointer finger the first color of wool for 15 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew around the wool already on your pointer finger. Sew until you get to the point where you began, then you sew to secure. Please guys, follow along and watch the pattern in which I'm sewing it. When you are done with one piece, make them 6 pieces and sew them together. The sewing pattern for this very design is different. Instead of sewing from the knotted part, sew directly opposite the knotted side. When you are done joining them together, set the design apart. Now get the second color of wool. Put 2 strands of the wool right at the middle of the fork. Then wrap around on the fork that same color for 30 times. Take the 2 strands of wool that is at the middle of the fork and tie firmly the woolen design. Pull it out from the fork. Continue tying to make it very firm. Cut open the second fringe of the woolen design to make a pom-pom. Attach the pom-pom right at the middle of the woolen design to make the flower seamless and beautiful. At this point guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you have not done so. Thank you. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next video. Bye.